Have you ever felt stuck, yearning for a change but unsure where to start? What if I told you that the key to transforming your life instantly lies within a simple yet powerful practice, setting clear intentions? Today, we'll explore how harnessing the power of intention can lead to immediate and profound changes in your life. Stay tuned. 1. Understanding intention. Before we dive into the how, let's understand the what. What exactly is an intention? An intention refers to a mental state or determination guiding one's actions toward a specific goal or purpose. It embodies what an individual plans or aims to achieve. Unlike goals, which are specific outcomes we aim to achieve, intentions are guiding principles that reflect how we want to live and show up in the world. They are the conscious choices about who we want to be, how we want to act, and what we want to align with in our lives. Setting intentions isn't about ticking off a checklist. It's about aligning our actions with our core values and desires, creating a roadmap for how we navigate our daily lives. 2. The science behind intention. Now, you might wonder, is there any science backing this up? Absolutely. Neuroscientific research shows that our thoughts and intentions can physically rewire our brains. When we set a clear intention, we activate specific neural pathways that prime our minds to recognize and seize opportunities aligned with that intention. This process, known as neuroplasticity, means our brains are continually evolving based on our thoughts, experiences, and intentions. By focusing our minds on positive outcomes, we can essentially train our brains to support our desired changes. 3. Setting effective intentions. So, how do we set intentions that truly make a difference? Here's a step-by-step guide. Take time to understand what truly matters to you. What principles do you want to embody in your daily life? Frame your intentions clearly and in a positive light. Instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," say, "I intend to cultivate calm and balance in my life." Putting pen to paper makes your intentions tangible and reinforces your commitment. Consider starting a daily journal. Write down daily your intentions. Spend a few moments each day visualizing yourself living out your intentions. This mental rehearsal strengthens the neural connections associated with your desired behavior. Life is unpredictable. Be open to adjusting your intentions as you grow and circumstances change. Setting a daily intention to practice gratitude has completely shifted my perspective. I feel more content and present in my life. By intending to listen actively, my relationships have become stronger and more fulfilling. Write them down. Documenting your intentions reinforces commitment and serves as a tangible reminder of your focus. Visualize daily. Spend a few moments each day visualizing yourself living out your intentions, strengthening the neural connections associated with your desired behaviors. These are just a few examples of how setting intentions can lead to immediate positive changes. It's about creating a mindset that aligns with the life you want to live. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Setting intentions is a powerful practice for personal growth and achieving desired outcomes. However, several common pitfalls can hinder their effectiveness. Vague or ambiguous intentions. Unclear intentions lack direction, making it challenging to align actions toward specific outcomes. Neglecting underlying self-beliefs. Negative attitudes, fears, low self-esteem, shame, and guilt can act as roadblocks, preventing intentions from manifesting. Lack of consistent action. Intentions without actionable steps remain abstract concepts. Bridging the gap between intention and action is crucial for meaningful change. Overemphasis on outcomes. Focusing solely on the end result can lead to unethical behavior and a narrow focus, neglecting non-goal areas and reducing intrinsic motivation. Setting unrealistic intentions. Unattainable intentions can lead to frustration and demotivation. It's essential to set realistic and actionable goals to maintain motivation and avoid burnout. By recognizing and addressing these pitfalls, you can enhance the effectiveness of your intention-setting practice, leading to more meaningful and sustained personal growth. While setting intentions is powerful, there are common pitfalls to be aware of. Unclear intentions lead to unclear results. Be as specific as possible. Consistency reinforces neural pathways. Make intention setting a daily practice. Always frame intentions positively to direct your energy toward what you want, not what you wish to avoid. Let's set an intention together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and reflect on an area of your life you'd like to improve. Now, formulate a positive intention around that. For example, I intend to approach my work with creativity and enthusiasm. Write it down and keep it somewhere visible. By integrating intention setting into your daily routine, you hold the power to transform your life instantly. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as these conscious choices lead to profound changes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your intentions in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey of intentional living. This video was sponsored by Under the Stars Babe.shop. Remember, while under the stars, babe, anything is possible. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe.